Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to split screen on Android. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on advanced features. Now click on multiple window. Make sure you turn on swipe for split screen, swipe for pop-up view, and full screen in split screen view. Now go ahead and open multiple application on your phone. To now use split screen on your Android, all you simply need to do is click on the app logo. Then choose open in split screen view. Now you can now go ahead and click on other application you want to use in split screen view on your Samsung phone. You see that? Now to exit split screen view, you can just click on the back button or swipe down or up like this, and that's it. So that's exactly how to turn on or how to use split screen on Android. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.